Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to start a private listening session in the Spotify app. First you have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have our music. From here we just go into the top left corner, tap on the profile icon, then we tap on settings and privacy, then we tap on privacy and social, and here we have private session. We can tap on this and turn this on, which means that it will temporarily hide our listening activity from our followers, and this session lasts 6 hours, and if we otherwise have listening activity turned on, then it's going to turn it off temporarily. But that's basically it. That's how you do it. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.